Hey, so now I'm going to show you how to use joystick code in driver control. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is in this while loop, we are going to write get joystick settings, open paren joystick, close paren, and then a semicolon. Basically what this is doing is updating the joystick values and button stuff. So yeah, and then to set motor to an axis on the joystick, currently we don't have a motor set up, so first we're going to have to do that. So now we have a motor set up, two motors actually, but yeah. So let's say I wanted to hook both these motors up to or one of our joysticks. Basically what I would do is motor open square bracket motor E close square bracket equals joystick dot joy 1 underscore x1 and then semicolon.
So basically what I've got here is motor E is going to respond, is set to whatever our left joystick, that value of the x-axis on that joystick is. So basically, if it's negative, then the motor's going to spin in reverse. If it's positive, it's going to spin forwards. If I were to do motor D equal to joystick dot joy1 underscore y1, then that would set motor D equal to the value on the y-axis of the left joystick. So basically we'd be controlling motor E and motor D when we move that joystick vertically and horizontally. So yeah, that's how to write joystick code. So now I'm going to talk about how to write code for using buttons. So let's say I wanted to map motor D to button on the controller. This is probably somewhat of an unrealistic example, just because we already have motor D hooked up to a joystick, but for a demonstration this should be fine. So there are 12 buttons on the controller. So those map to either 0 through 12 or 0 through 11 or 1 through 12. I forget which. Anyway, so how you would write code for this is if open paren joy1 buttons, underscore between joy1 and buttons, and then double equals which is a comparison. Single equals is assignment, as you've seen before. So yeah, let's go with button 3, and so in this case 3. Then close paren, and then open curly bracket, close curly bracket. And then in here you would write what would happen if button 3 was pressed. So in this case we want to run motor D at power, I don't know, 40. So I'm going to write that. And then we would probably also want to do map a button to running the motor at power 0. So I'm gonna map button 2 to that, so that way we can stop the motors as well. And there you have it. That is how to use controller code.